What do you like best about the CNS Summit?
Well, it's different. It really is different from all the other meetings. I've never seen anything close to the content I've seen this afternoon and this morning at any other meeting. And so it gave me lots of new ideas. And it's a very nice collaborative setting.
What I like most is it's a pre-competitive space where we can come in and talk about issues that a lot of people don't want to talk about. What's going wrong with the trials? How can we do better? And really in I think a very real manner rather than kind of talking around the issues. So I like that a lot.
I like the fact that it's very innovative and forward-thinking. It's a fun environment, and it's an environment that kind of shows us what the future might look like and how we can all work together to pull ourselves up and do a better job.
Thank you very much. I'm here to tell you that it can be done and to show you an example of some collaborative work that we have actually done together with our partners, private-public partnership. It's not just words, it's a reality.
It's really an opportunity for us to get together with the people that we work with on a regular basis, but to talk about the industry itself and the problems that we face and hopefully come up with some of the solutions as well to those problems.
All of us understand what is pretty much political science 101, and that is united we stand, divided we fall. Either we work together or game is over.
Well, I think in tandem with that open-minded attitude is we have decision makers here who can make it happen. So we can put these things into action rather than just verbalize them.
And I hope that by the end of our talk today, many, many more of you will step forward, as I have from Johnson & Johnson.
Yeah, I'd say the emphasis here is on finding the practical solutions. There's a lot of data presented, but there's also a lot of innovation.
If you were going to recommend who should come to the CNS Summit, what would you say?
Well, to me, if you're doing any kind of CNS research, whether you're a sponsor, whether you're a CRO, whether you're a third-party vendor, rater, lab, if you're doing CNS research, you should be here.
I think it's a focus meeting, so you're kind of dealing with people who are really kind of right on target of what you're trying to get at, and so that's good. There's not a lot of fluff, so people who are really interested kind of are there.
Well, really anybody who cares about drug development in general, and especially psychiatric and neurologic or CNS treatments.
I'd say if you have any interest in meeting the challenges that we face in developing treatments for CNS disorders, you ought to come here because you're going to find something of interest to you.
So I believe people in industry who are really serious about doing these trials and are involved in the trial mechanism should come. So that would be both clinical science, clinical operations. I think groups that are involved in supporting such trials would be well served by coming here. And I also think sites, particularly those that are really interested in understanding what's going on in the background and how to react to it and really work with us in a collaborative manner, those places should think about coming to this meeting.
If you were going to give 3 words that you think describe the CNS Summit, what 3 words would you use?
Let's think about that. 3 words? Well, I think one of them would have to be innovation. Right there, we heard, especially today, a lot about innovative approaches to the different problems we have. Then I think another is collaboration. People are interested in finding people who have an interest in working with them and leveraging what you know, what I know, and I think that's great. And then maybe the last, which is maybe the most exciting, is opportunity. Because there are so many people in the room who are trying to do the same thing, but from different perspectives, the opportunity to do something that's really exciting is there. And I think that's what's great about the meeting.
Compelling, leading edge, and hot. I mean, this is the place where you want to be seen and everyone wants to see you.
For me personally, that's pretty easy. I would say inspiring, motivational, and really reinvigorating as a professional. This has really been an exciting opportunity. It's been a pleasure.